This is the debut of the brand new 2023 Airstream Rangeline. And we are going to give you a tour of the outside, and then we'll give you a tour of the inside. I'll give you my pet peeves, Sherry's favorite feature, and then we'll give you a build quality rating. Let's go. This Rangeline is built on the Ram chassis. The Dodge Ram chassis has a 3.6 liter, 280 horsepower engine. Look at this, it's beautiful. Come around here. These mirrors, it has all the modern safety features. It has indicators to tell you if something's coming up next to you. It's a great feature. Around 16-inch tires. This running board runs almost the full length of the vehicle. It even has a place to tie up your little dog friends. Up top, we have a full-size awning. And as we move back, we'll go and take a look around the other side. But look at how beautiful the sides are. They're clean and sleek. Now, coming over to the other side, we'll see from here on the roof, you have your air conditioner. And then the Rangeline is also Airstream Connect ready. So you can install Airstream Connect as part of your Rangeline. Let's go to this side. Hey Sherry, you notice anything unique about this van?
No.
Look how sleek this is on this side. Do you see any connections? Any heaters, water heaters, outdoor showers?
Oh, you're right, I don't, because if I look over here on this other vehicle, I do see all of that.
You see all these boxes and hatches?
And I don't see anything on this.
Nothing. They put your 30 amp power here, and this is unique because it's a smart plug. It only goes in this way, and you can use one hand to unplug this. And your dump station right here for your black and gray. And
so then where's everything else, John?
Everything else is right here. Let's take a look behind this hidden panel. And once you get this open, look at that.
So down here it looks like we've got your black tank flush. What is that middle one there, John?
This is for your city water. And this is your outdoor shower.
Okay. Now, you know what, John, though? Something I don't like.
What?
Maybe it's just me, but this does seem a little flimsy. I could see this breaking off. I mean, look at that.
I guess it could. I mean...
It's just my thoughts. I
guess they don't expect it to be hanging loose when you're in transit, because once you screw this in, it's like every other body panel.
But I'm not worried about in transit. And in transit, you can have rocks in it and stuff like that, too. I'm worried about at the campground, you open it up, you're using it,
and
it's just hanging.
Yeah. Here we have your fuel fill.
Now, John, I have a question for you.
What's that?
Is this all window here?
It looks like it, but I know it's not because the bathroom is in the middle of this.
Oh, that's right. So they just, okay.
It's just a tinted glass look.
Gotcha.
Well, now that you've seen the outside features, let's check out the inside.
Sure thing. Oh, it's such a tight squeeze.
We'll have to eat less on these trips.
We just need to eat less in general, John.
Oh my gosh, really? Stepping up in here, we have this handle to help you get in. But take a look at the floor. This is a highly durable woven vinyl surface.
And from right here, that could last for up to 50 years.
That's what I've been told, yes. It's very tough.
But John, you know what I really like before you step in?
What?
Right here, you have a place for your shoes.
Oh, that is nice.
I love the fact that they put that there.
Yes.
Are you gonna try the driver's seat, John?
I'm gonna get in the driver's seat.
Okay, let's see how that goes.
All right, here we are. It's a typical Dodge Ram. It has all the controls on your steering for your hands-free and your phone. Cruise control on your phone. We have over here your gear selector, cup holders, a place for your phone. Did you check this out? This is wireless charging.
Oh, cool.
That is a nice feature right there.
All right, John. And down here we have a toolkit.
Yes,
Why don't you
right
hop
here.
on back here and we can try out the dining area.
Yes. Now, this is very nice. This table has an extension on it, and it does look like it comes out of the way here. You have connectors on that side, but this table extends and becomes big enough for all 4 of these seats.
Because these turn around.
Yes, they swivel.
Do you know how to open that, John? Were you able to open it?
Let's see.
Let's see.
Right here. And then I have to move out of the way temporarily, but here we go. And then it opens that far, and you can open it this far.
Okay, so you can have a meal with everyone sitting at the same table.
Yes, you can.
Awesome.
That is awesome for a vehicle this size.
Now, John, I'm going to look up for a minute.
Look
You
up.
want to tell us about this roof?
That is your typical Airstream roof. It is riveted aluminum. That will last forever.
Cool. All right, let's move on to the kitchen.
Now I am in the kitchen area, and this kitchen is pretty nice for something small. Has a little storage here. Has your sink right here, just a single sink.
Oh, yes, and a cutting board, too.
Yes.
He does a cutting board. Now, John, I'm noticing something a little bit weird about this galley. I do not see a cooktop.
Ah, well, let me help you. Here is your cooktop.
Oh, so it has a removable cooktop.
Yes, it does.
So you can use it probably indoors or outdoors.
Right.
That's,
And
you know, that's pretty cool because, you know, I don't cook in our RV very often. I'm usually outside.
Right.
And I'm guessing with a unit like this, you'd probably be outside a lot too.
Yes.
So for those times when you're not using it, you have a lot more prep space. But somebody else could argue that then that takes up some extra drawer space too.
Yes. You have 6 of these large drawers. And they're all the same here. Well, this one has a cutout.
Okay. All right, well, let's move on then.
Yeah.
They're all the same.
Over the kitchen, you'll notice a JBL speaker. It actually is Bluetooth and removable. You can take it with you outside when you're camping.
Hey, was there a light up there too?
There is a light right here. And a couple of cubbies for storage. Here, your microwave.
Is that convection or regular? Can you tell?
I cannot tell, to tell you the truth. And below that, refrigerator, freezer. Above that, some more storage. Behind me is, guess what?
Now this is a very tight space,
It is.
but I'm guessing it's your shower, your wet
Yes,
bath?
it is.
Okay. So let me squeeze in here and get this wet bath. It is kind of tight. I think it's rather small. It has this tapered door. All right, John. So under the bed, it has these L-track tie downs so that you can bring your canoe or other items. Have lots of storage up here.
Oh,
Yes, there's plenty of storage space back here.
Why don't you open that one for us, John?
It's so new. I'm not the product expert.
you are?
I don't think
Very
any
nice.
of us are the product experts.
All right, John.
It was
Okay,
like
let's take
super-
this out. So a couple of things we didn't get because it was getting kind of crowded in there. It's a very tight space, but we wanted to make sure that you knew about these things. And the first thing is that it has a 260 amp lithium battery,
Right?
and it has something called hydronic heating. And John, do you want to explain what that is?
It uses water to heat the RV. It uses water.
It's a radiator,
Yeah, basically that's what it is.
and it
It's
runs
a
off of the
radiator.
gasoline.
Yes.
Yes, and so it's good for your skin.
Well, yeah, it would be.
Oh,
yeah,
one
the-
other thing is that also this is insulated with a they spray a lizard skin for sound deadening.
Yeah.
For sound deadening.
Right.
Right. Okay.
And the 200, the solar panel, the 200 amp solar panel.
Yes. Another
the
thing
other
is that the seats are reupholstered.
Right.
When they come from Dodge, when the chassis comes from Dodge, they reupholster the seats. It's time for our favorite feature, pet peeve, and build quality rating.
That's right. Now, I think my biggest pet peeve on this one is just that it's just the back end. I'm not sure how easily that would be to use? I mean, you'd have to move the bed out of the way to use a lot of that space for bigger things.
Yeah, and he did say that you can fold it into something that's like a sofa.
Right.
But you really couldn't do it while we were the representative from Airstream really couldn't do it for us because this is the way they have it set up, so we didn't get a chance to see. But we'll put a link down in the description below, and you can go there and see, get some more information on this particular Airstream if you are interested in it.
Right. And what's your favorite feature?
My favorite feature is the fact that the cooktop can be taken off. We don't do a lot of cooking in the RV. We do most of our cooking outside.
Right.
And so I would love to have that extra prep space.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yep. Okay, how about a build quality rating?
Well, Airstream is pretty darn good, I think. I did not see a lot of fraying or edges or missing parts or screws.
I think I was more concerned about that panel on the outside, but I think inside everything looked pretty good.
Yeah.
So given that, I would give this a 9 out of 10.
Yeah, I think a 9, because you're right, that plastic panel does seem a little flimsy and could tear off if you're prone to accidents.
Right. And then the other thing that we want to show you is that there is a prototype here at the show that is not in production yet, but will be in production shortly. And that is, they do have this model, or will have this model of van with a pop-up on the roof.
And that's optional.
And it will be optional, so it'll be extra charge for that. And here it is right here. Okay, be sure to look down in the description below so that you can also see what the price is on the unit that we looked at the show. And tell us what your thoughts are about this van.
Yeah, we'd like to know.
That's it for this one. It's on to the next one, and check out more Hershey videos here.
Not on my face.